Hey guys, and welcome to your classroom away from school. Today we're going to have a look at the verb be, or more specifically, to learn when to use is or are. This is one of the most common mistakes that is fairly simple to learn how to do properly. While writing, you'll sometimes come across the question, should it be is or are? And it's tricky. They're both conjugations of the same verb, to be. It means att vara. But most of the time, the problem shows up when we're supposed to translate the Swedish word är. This might not be news for you. Do you remember what decides if you're supposed to use is or are? What about these examples? Pause the video and see if you can come up with the right answer. Ready? If you answered like this, well done. Let's have a look at what's actually happening here. In the first example, we're talking about one specific thing, an air conditioning unit. We can see how is connects to the amount of air conditioning in the classroom. We can't say air conditionings or air conditions. It's simply air conditioning or air condition. We can see at the same time in the next example how we're talking about more than one person doing something. And in this case, that's going to Spain on vacation. We can see how are connects to the amount of people going on vacation to Spain this summer. So whether a word is singular or plural helps you remember whether to use is or are. Sometimes, however, it might be a bit tricky. Let's see if you get these ones. Which is it supposed to be? Is or are? Pause the video and think carefully about the sentences. If you answer them like this, well done. Let's have a look why this is the way it is. Claire and Thomas make up a plural, as we're talking about more than one person. Therefore, it should be are. Class 7B might be made up of a lot of diligent students, but if we're using the word class, it's only one class, and therefore we need to use is. And this is the important part. What decides your use of is or are will not always be the amount of something or someone, but which word you use to describe it. So, to summarize, when deciding to use is or are, you need to watch out for how many are doing something, how many are there, or how much is there an and making two singulars into a plural? Is there a group of people or things making it a singular? And as a small bonus, the same rules you have learned today can be used in the past tense as well. We still use the same rules to determine was or were. So 2 for 1. That's all for today. If anything's been unclear, rewind the video and rewatch it. Remember, you can always bring questions to class. See you there.